Verify the associative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 10 by 11, 5 by 6, minus 4 by 3. See here what they ask, what property they given? Associative property. For addition as well as for multiplication we are going to verify now. Here they given two rational numbers. Sorry, three rational numbers now. So first write given the rational numbers are minus 10 by 11, 5 by 6, minus 4 by 3. Now we are going to assume this first one as A, B, C. If you assume like that, it will be easy to do the sum. Okay. So let A equal to minus 10 by 11, B equal to 5 by 6, C equal to minus 4 by 3. So next we are going to check associative property for addition. First we are going to see. So what you have to do, associative property for addition, now what you have to do? So A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Just we are interchanging the brackets. Whenever they ask associative property for addition, now A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. So now first you are going to take the LHS part first and finding the answer. Then move on to RHS part. Then we have to check whether LHS and RHS both are equal or not. Okay. So first LHS. So what we have? A plus B plus C. So substitute the values. For A what we have? Minus 10 by 11 plus B is 5 by 6 plus C is minus 4 by 3. First you are going to solve this brackets. Okay. So minus 10 by 11 plus 5 by 6 equal to, here 11, here you have denominator as 6. So 11, 6, the denominators are different. So you have to take LCM. So what will be the LCM then? 11, 6 are 66, only LCM no. Minus 10 by 11 into what you have to multiply here? 6 plus 5 by 6 into 11 by 11. Now see, minus 10 into 6, minus 60 by 66 plus 55 by 66. So now the denominators become same. So 66 minus 60 plus 55. So what will you get? Minus 60 plus 50, you will get minus 5 divided by 66. So next we are going to find minus 10 by 11 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 3 equal to, for this one we got the answer as minus 5 by 63. Let's substitute that value. Minus 5 by 66 plus minus 4 by 3. You observe this minus, plus into minus, you will get minus. So next one, minus 5 by 66 minus 4 by 3. So here observe this, you have to take LCM for 66 and 3. Let us 66 in 3 table, when you will get 66? 22 times no. So multiply by 22. So minus 5 by 66 minus 4, 22 so you get 88 divided by 66. Minus 5 minus 88, what will you get out? Minus 93 divided by 66. So take it as equation number 1. This is the LHS part. We got minus 93 by 66. Next move on to RHS part. What we have in RHS part? A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C equal to, first substitute the values. A value minus 10 by 11 plus B 5 by 6 plus into minus 4 by 3. Okay, so first you have to solve the brackets. Take it out. 5 by 6 plus into minus 4 by 3 equal to, so here plus into minus you will get minus. So 5 by 6 minus 4 by 3. So here the denominators are 6 and 3. So you will get 6 in 3 table, you know how many times? 2 times. Okay. So 5 by 6 minus 8 by 3 2s are 6. Now the denominators become same. So 5 minus 8. So what will you get? 5 minus 8? Minus 3 by 6. You may cancel this, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So you get minus 1 by 2. Now take this. Minus 10 by 11 plus 5 by 6 plus of minus 4 by 3 equal to, here you have minus 10 by 11, right, as it is, plus for this you find what value you get, minus 1 by 2, substitute that value, minus 1 by 2. Okay, next, minus 10 by 11 plus into minus, you will get minus 1 by 2. So here the denominators are different, so you have to take LCM for that. So minus 10 by 11 minus 1 by 2, So 11 2s are 22 is the LCM. Minus 10 by 11 into 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, you will get 11 by 11. So minus 20 by 22 minus 11 by 22. So it is equal to 22 minus 20 minus 11. So you get minus 31 by 22. Take it as equation number 2. So here you got what? Minus 93 by 66. It is possible to cancel in 3 table. You may cancel this. 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So what will you get? Minus 31 by 22. So equation number 1. Observe equation number 1 and 2. You got the same answer, So hence A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. So write the last step. Hence verified. What property this is? Associative property for addition. So both will be equal. Then we verified that associative property satisfies for addition in rational numbers. Next, addition over. Next, what you have to verify? Multiply. So now we are going to write multiplication. Okay. Associative property for multiplication. So write this associative property for multiplication. A, instead of plus you are going to write multiplication symbol. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. We are going to check now. So take first LHS part. LHS what you have? A into B into C equal to, substitute the values. A value is minus 10 by 11 into 5 by 6 into C value minus 4 by 3. So if it is possible, you may cancel numerator with the denominator. But it is not possible here. Here 2 table you can cancel. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, So just multiply. 5 5s are 25. Here you have minus. Minus 25 divided by 33. Okay. Into here you have minus 4 by 3. Here also if it is possible you can cancel this, but it is not possible here. So minus into minus will get plus. 4 25s are 100 divided by 99. So take it as equation number 1. Okay. Next move on to RHS side. So RHS what we have? A into B into C. Okay, substitute A values. A is minus 10 by 11 into B is 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. Okay. Now see, write minus 10 by 11 as it is. First you have to solve the brackets. So if it is possible you can cancel in 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 5 into minus 2 will get minus 10 divided by 3 3s are 9. So here minus into minus will get plus. 10 into 10 100 divided by 11 9s are 99. Here you got 100 by 99. From 1 and 2 here, see from LHS you got 100 by 99. RHS part also you got 100 by 99. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, that is A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Hence, verified associative property for multiplication. So next we are going to see fifth one, check the commutative property. Here we are going to check what property? Commutative property for addition and multiplication. Given that rational numbers are minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. Okay. First write the given rational numbers. Given the rational numbers are minus 10 by 11 and just put comma minus 8 by 33. Okay, let us assume that first number as A minus 10 by 11, B minus 8 by 33. Now we are going to check commutative property for addition. So what is commutative property for addition? What is commutative property for addition? So A plus B equal to B plus A. We are going to check whether we got both sides equal answer or not. Okay. So first take LHS part, that is A plus B equal to A what? Minus 10 by 11 plus minus 8 by 33. So here you have 11, here you have 33. So you have to take LCM. 33 will be the LCM, you know. So here you have to multiply with 3. Minus 10 by 11 into 3 by 3 plus minus 8 by 33. So minus 10 into 3 minus 30. 3 tens are 30. Divide by 33 plus minus 8 by 33. So plus into minus you get minus. So minus 30 by 33 minus 8 by 33. So minus 30 minus 8 divided by 33. So minus 30 minus 8 what will you get? Minus 38 by 33. So LHS side we got minus 38 by 33. Next we move on to RHS part. So RHS here B plus A. What is B? Minus 8 by 33 plus minus 10 by 11. So minus 8 by 33. Here itself we can simplify. Plus into minus, minus 10 by 11. So for 33 and 11, what is the LCM? 3, 33, no. So here you have to multiply and divide with 3. So minus 8 by 33, minus 30 by 33. So the denominators become same, minus 8, here minus 30. So you get minus 38 by 33. Take it as equation number 2. So this one has LHS side as 1 and RHS side as 2. See from 1 and 2 we can observe from 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS, that is A plus B equal to B plus A. So therefore hence verified what property this is? Commutative property for addition. Okay. So next our sum is over? No. We verified only for addition. We are going to verify for multiplication. Next time associative property. Sorry, commutative, no. Commutative property for multiplication. What is commutative property for multiplication? That is A into B equal to B into A. Okay. So what we done in previous sum, that only LHS part. A into B. What is A? We assumed minus 10 by 11 into B is minus 8 by 33. So here it is not possible to cancel. Just multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Minus into minus will get plus. 10 8s are 88 divided by 33 into 11. 33, 363. So 363. Okay, next take it as equation number 1. Next B into A. B is minus 8 by 33 into minus 10 by 11. Whenever you got minus, you have to write in the brackets. So here minus into minus plus 8 tens are 80. Again 33 11s are, you get 363. Equation number 2. So observe this, A into B you got 80 by 363. B into A got 80 by 363. So from 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS. That is A into B equal to B into A. So last step, right? Hence verified. What property? Commutative property for multiplication. So thank you children. I think you all have understood the properties of rational numbers. Okay, thank you.